The project involves 2.3 kilometres of new sewer tunnel. It's roughly a 3-metre diameter tunnel. It was constructed with a 100-metre long tunnel boring machine, working between 10 and 12 metres below the ground. It was progressing over the 4-year period from the Docklands area through Port Melbourne to one of the existing sewers is the Hobsons Bay Main. One of the challenging engineering challenges of the project was the crossing of the existing Yarra River. That part of the project took 2 years. Constructing, as you appreciate, under the Yarra River has a number of significant engineering challenges and construction challenges. That was done under the water, so as you appreciate, divers were involved, working virtually zero visibility to construct a 140-metre section under the Yarra River. That part of the project took 2 years, and the remainder took the other 2 years to complete. One of the fundamental challenges with river crossing, the work in zero visibility with divers and floating a large sewer pipe down the middle of Melbourne through the Yarra River is a significant public event, and so you can appreciate that there was a lot of interest, and you can literally see the pipe floating down the river. It then gets sunk and it actually sinks into position. So that obviously has a lot of public interest, and we're great to invite the public to be part of that. And there's a lot of people that were, and they all love to see it happen and be part of history. The old sewer was constructed in the 1890s. The new sewer virtually traverses a similar alignment as the old sewer, but it's designed to cater for the additional 100 years. The 1890s did have a 100-year life, and we've reached that 100-year life of the existing sewer. So the new sewer will have the same life. It's over three times the capacity. So just to give you rough figures, the existing sewer could carry about 800 litres per second. The new sewer can carry over 3,000 litres per second. The new sewer is about 3 metres diameter. The hole was drilled with a modern German engineered tunnel boring machine, and then it was lined by concrete and a glass reinforced plastic to carry the sewer. The old sewer, it's funny when I look back, you see photos of people holding candles in the old sewer, installing bricks. The old sewer was made out of bricks. You had an outside cast iron shell, and then there was men inside that pipe, less than a metre in height, installing bricks. They're literally doing brickwork in an area less than a metre high. I love it. It's actually been a wonderful experience. The people you meet, the challenge you face, and associated with dealing with different engineering and construction challenges, working with the community, working with different stakeholders, they're all interested to see what happens, because we're talking about a significant piece of history. I feel proud that the sense that we're now replacing something that's 100 years old. We look at some of the historical photos of people working hard in those different conditions, and we did a similar thing this time. So hopefully in another 100 years someone will look back and be just as proud.